God. Give it up for El Salvador. I told you, did I not say it was W Salvador? I said it.
You did say it. You did say it.
Kane,
I gotta be honest, I'm so hyped for our next country.
You look hyped. You look very hyped.
I'm so excited. You know what it is?
I do know what it is. I believe it's Jamaica.
Jamaica! I absolutely love Jamaica and this dance. You know, my neighborhood back home in Brooklyn is called Little Caribbean. There's jerk chicken, beef patties all over. It's so awesome. I feel a connection, I gotta be honest.
I'm glad you feel connected, you know, maybe a little gentrified, but that's okay. No, you should feel very connected to your community. That's good.
That's maybe a good point. Kane, I feel like I've heard that you are an island boy. Did I get that right?
No, I don't think, I mean, I'm from Rhode Island. I'm not an island boy.
I feel like that like is like a maybe, you know what I mean? You know what? Here's how we find out. Let's see how your hips are. Who wants to see Kane's hips?
No. What
I kind of want to see it. I feel like that's a good judge.
Off? What do you mean?
Can we hit it, please? Can we hit it?
I don't under.
XOXO, my love is very special. If you want it, you can have it. But don't take me for granted.
Oh my God.
So much things I did not say.
Wow. What just happened? Do not do that again. Ephraim, I had no control over my body.
Kane, I gotta be honest. What did we think his hips match the test? I feel like I'm not probably a good judge of this, but I think our choreographers Bianca and Tapua are. Let's welcome them on.
Hi everyone, no need for any introductions because this is our third year choreographing for GALA. I hope y'all remembered how to say hi in Patois because we do this every year, right? It's Wagwan, so we're gonna say it on 3. 1, 2, 3. So, Jamaica is one of only 2 countries to be colonized twice. First by Spain, then by Great Britain, before finally gaining our independence. Because of this, our national motto is, out of many, one people. Our culture is incredibly diverse through our language, history, people, and of course, our music. From dancehall to reggae to soca, Jamaica music or Caribbean music is full of energy and rhythm, and I can't wait for you all to see what we put together.
We also want to say thank you to our incredible dancers backstage. Like, for real, when I said blood, sweat, and tears, they put their blood, sweat, and tears on the floor, guys. So please make sure you give them a lot of love. And we're going to say something real quick. Y'all know what I'm about to say, right? It's the B word. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Bombakla!
Back it up and brace pan this. My girl, wind your waist pan this. Missy, take it and attack it if you rate chocolate. Sweet to the American eat chocolate. Hazy done say backpacks and portion. My girl, you have to show me back and motion. Give you long hood and love and devotion. Make it waterfall like wave and ocean. Dripping, wet. And me beat up the pum pum, yes. When I don't come a star, no back for your bend. Oh, the position snap through the lens. Dripping, wet. And me beat up the pum pum, yes. When I don't come a star, no back for your bend. Oh, the position snap through the lens. She stand up, she drop down. Send me off the list. Bubble share, bubble love, anybody. My girl, take time, my body. Now the bad body, girl, my time.
And you for wine and pause. Standing ovation, round of applause. Pull up, action, we are turn it up. Shot around the place and guess who are bring it up. Pull up, hot, yeah, we hot. Bad girl there, then I whine it to it up.
Money pull up, money pull up.
Shot around the place and guess who are bring it up.
Money pull up, money pull up.
Bad girl there, then I want it to it. Nobody can do.
Ladies! People, I want the baddest whining song listen in the world. Every girl come out and spread out and wine out. Bad girl, back it up when you wine on this. She don't kick up when you wine on this. Push it right back.